Good day guys, this is Gab, the Property Wanderer. So, nandito tayo ngayon, kasama ko yung mga salesperson in Desire Realty, even the CEO. So, gusto ko lang silang tanungin kung ano ba ang advantage ng mga pre-selling units. So, tara, panoorin nyo to.
One of the advantages ng pre-selling projects, if mag-a-avail po kayo ng pre-selling properties natin, of course, ma-avail niyo pa siya sa introductory price. So, meaning, yung property natin is yung lowest price yung ma-avail ng mga buyers.
For me, yung advantage ng pre-selling unit is flexible yung payment terms niya. At the same time, possible makukuha niyo pa yung introductory price kasi mura pa siya. At the same time, yung pagka-flexible niya is divided into 22 months, 18 months. So, yun, kung hindi naman nagmamadali si buyer ng makalipat ng bahay. So, very advisable si pre-selling kasi yun nga, mako-compromise niyo pa yung monthly niyo sa pre-sale.
Availing at a starting price.